Have you ever noticed your legs don't feel the way they used to? Once, you could walk for miles, climb stairs without a second thought, or stand up without worrying about balance. But now, each step feels heavier, each movement slower. And sometimes, out of nowhere, a sharp cramp strikes in the night, leaving you frozen in pain. This isn't just about aging. It's about something quietly slipping away your strength, stability, and confidence. But what if I told you there's a way to bring it back? Yes, even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Even if your legs grow weaker each year. Even if you've accepted this as just how aging works. There's a secret you haven't been told. A vital element your legs are crying out for. Something your body might be missing without you realizing. Ignore it, and the weakness won't just linger. It will worsen. Cramps will intensify, and your independence may slowly fade. But not today. Today, I'm revealing the 7 most powerful vitamins and minerals your legs desperately need. These aren't random nutrients, they're game changers. They strengthen bones, prevent painful cramps, boost circulation, and even restore muscle mass you thought was gone forever. And no, this isn't about complex treatments or expensive pills. It's about simple, science-backed changes you can make at home. With everyday foods, smart choices, and a bit of awareness. By the end of this, you won't just understand what's causing your leg pain, weakness, or instability. You'll know exactly how to fight back naturally, safely, and with full control. Your legs don't want to give up. They're waiting for you to give them what they truly need. If you want to move freely again, reduce those nightly cramps. And never feel helpless standing up from a chair. Keep reading. These 7 vitamins and minerals could change everything. Before we dive in, if this matters to you, if you care about staying strong and independent as long as possible, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your health journey deserves your full attention. Let's begin. 1. Vitamin D, the silent power behind every step. There's a reason your legs feel weaker, even if you're eating well and doing your best. It's not always visible, like a wound, but it quietly steals your strength. That reason is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D isn't just a nutrient, it's like a hidden switch that keeps your bones dense, muscles responsive, and balance steady. Without it, everything feels off. Steps grow heavy. Legs tremble, and confidence fades with each slow walk. Why is vitamin D so critical? It's directly tied to muscle mass, especially in the legs. It strengthens neuromuscular function, helping your brain and muscles communicate clearly. Picture standing up from a chair. Your brain tells your legs to move, but if vitamin D is low, the signal falters. Your legs struggle, and you might feel unsteady, even close to falling. Worse, low vitamin D weakens bones. Fragile bones mean a small trip can lead to a fracture, a hospital stay, or a permanent change in how you live. The good news? This is preventable, starting with something as simple as sunlight. Sunlight triggers your body to produce vitamin D naturally. But as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at absorbing it. Add in time spent indoors, cloudy climates, or daily sunscreen, and your vitamin D levels can drop unnoticed. That's why food and supplements become essential. Start with fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Not just heart-healthy, but packed with vitamin D. Your body absorbs easily. Egg yolks are a small but potent source. Even everyday foods like milk, orange juice, or cereals are often fortified with vitamin D, quietly helping you rebuild strength. When food and sunlight aren't enough, vitamin D supplements are safe, affordable, and effective. Most older adults need 801,000 IU daily. But if you're in a low sun area or severely deficient, your doctor may suggest more. Always check, but don't ignore it. As vitamin D levels rise, cramps fade. Your legs feel lighter, your steps grow stronger, and fear begins to lift. Vitamin D isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring the foundation of the legs that carried you through life. They still have power. They just need a little help. Some sunlight, some nourishment, some attention. Don't overlook it. Sometimes it's not age, it's a deficiency. And the fix is right in front of you. Now let's dig deeper. If vitamin D is the switch, the next nutrient is the fuel that keeps your bones from crumbling beneath you. 2. Calcium, the foundation of your strength. When you think of strong legs, you might picture muscles. But muscles are only half the story. Beneath them, bones are the true structure holding you up. The one mineral your bones can't survive without is calcium. Calcium is the silent builder, keeping your legs firm, knees steady, and steps solid. Without enough, your bones hollow out slowly, silently, until the damage becomes real. Weak bones don't always show at first, but they reveal themselves unexpectedly. A stumble that becomes a fracture, a fall that lands you in a hospital bed, or legs that ache and tremble when they once felt strong. Calcium isn't just for bones, it's also key to muscle contraction. Every step, every lift of your leg relies on calcium to move smoothly. Without it, your legs feel heavy, weak, even cramped and painful. Here's the truth. Your body can't make calcium. It must come from what you eat. If you don't get enough, your body steals it from your bones. And that's when trouble starts. But you can stop it with a little awareness. Add calcium-rich foods like dairy, leafy greens, or fortified plant-based milk to your routine. Even small portions make a difference. If your diet falls short, calcium supplements can bridge the gap. Experts recommend 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams daily for older adults. Calcium works best when absorbed properly, and movement is the key. Without activity, even the best diet isn't enough. So keep walking, keep stretching. Every step locks strength into your bones. This isn't just about avoiding cramps or aches. It's about protecting the structure that keeps you upright, free to move and living life on your terms. Calcium isn't optional. It's essential. But strong bones and steady legs aren't enough if your nerves can't carry the signal. Sometimes, weakness isn't from muscles. It's from something deeper in your nervous system. Let's explore vitamin B12, the nerve protector. 3. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector your legs crave. What if your legs aren't weak because of bones or muscles, but because of the wires connecting everything? That's where vitamin B12 steps in. B12 isn't just a vitamin, it's a lifeline for your nerves. The invisible threads carrying signals from your brain to your muscles. When B12 levels drop, those signals get lost. The result? Your legs feel numb, tingly, unsteady, sometimes like they don't belong to you. It's a strange, unsettling feeling. You try to walk, but your balance falters. Not because you're weak, but because the message didn't get through. B12 deficiency is more common in older adults than most realize, as aging makes it harder to absorb, especially with digestive issues or certain medications. If B12 stays low too long, it can cause lasting nerve damage. But here's the hope. Catch it early. Restore your levels, and the body can recover. Strength returns, sensation normalizes, and the fog in your legs clears. The best B12 sources are animal-based: meat, fish, dairy, eggs. If those aren't in your diet or absorption is poor, B12 supplements are safe and effective. B12 is water soluble, so your body flushes out excess. It's often given as a shot or high-dose pill for severe deficiency. If your legs feel odd, numb, tingly, or unsteady, don't assume it's just age. It might be a silent nerve issue, and B12 could be the key to regaining strength and confidence. When nerves come back to life, your legs do too. Now, let's talk about the mineral that controls every contraction, every movement, and every moment of calm in your muscles. Magnesium. 4. Magnesium, the muscle soother your legs beg for. Sometimes pain strikes out of nowhere. A cramp in your calf that twists your face in agony. Tension in your thighs that won't release. Or a restless crawling in your legs at night. That keeps you awake. This is what happens when your body is low on magnesium. Magnesium isn't glamorous, but without it, your muscles can't function properly. It's the mineral that tells muscles when to contract and when to relax, controlling every movement, every stretch. When levels drop, muscles misfire. That's when cramps start, legs feel heavy, joints stiffen, and your body feels uncooperative. Low magnesium doesn't just cause discomfort. It steals your peace, your sleep, your comfort in your own body. Older adults are at higher risk because magnesium is drained by stress, certain medications, or even too much coffee. You might be losing it faster than you're replacing it, without knowing. But when you give your body enough, the change is almost magical. Cramps fade, muscles feel lighter. Sleep improves, and you move more freely. Find magnesium in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, avocados. If your diet isn't enough or cramps persist, magnesium supplements are gentle and effective. They don't just help muscles, they support bones, ease joint tension, and even lift your mood. If you're waking up with leg pain or feeling on edge, it might not be age, it might be magnesium calling for help. Listen, and your body will start to heal. But there's another mineral your muscles rely on, one that powers every flicker of energy in your cells. Let's meet potassium. 5. Potassium, the hidden spark behind every strong step. Your body moves because of energy, but energy comes from balance. Potassium is the mineral that keeps that balance alive in every cell. Without enough, your muscles act unpredictably. They cramp, twitch, or feel shaky even without strain. Potassium maintains the electrical system in your body, carrying signals to muscles and nerves. When levels drop, those signals scramble. Your legs fail you, knees buckle. Cramps strike sharp, sudden, painful. Potassium loss is common in older adults, especially with medications like diuretics, excessive sweating, or mild dehydration. But restore it, and the difference is almost immediate. Muscle function improves, cramps ease. Movements feel smoother, more natural. You don't need anything fancy to get potassium. It's in bananas, avocados, oranges, sweet potatoes. Spinach, beans, nature's medicine. Refueling your muscles, stabilizing your heartbeat, supporting your bones. Older adults need around 2,600 milligrams for women to 3,400 milligrams for men daily. But even small dietary improvements make a big impact. If food isn't enough, talk to your doctor. Too much potassium from supplements can be risky, but too little quietly drains your leg's strength. If your muscles tire, cramp at night, or feel unsteady, potassium might be what you're missing. It's the spark that powers every move. Now, let's uncover a vitamin that doesn't just strengthen bones. It directs where that strength goes. Vitamin K. 6. Vitamin K, the silent director of strength and stability. Everyone knows calcium builds strong bones. But did you know there's a vitamin that decides where calcium goes? That's vitamin K. Without it, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries, causing stiffness, poor circulation, or heart issues. Vitamin K steps in like a silent director, guiding calcium to your bones, keeping blood vessels clear and legs strong and steady. Vitamin K also supports bone metabolism, activating proteins that bind calcium to bones, reinforcing their strength. Without enough, even with calcium supplements, your bones may weaken over time. It also reduces inflammation and supports tissues around your knees, hips, and ankles, the areas bearing your weight with every step. There are two types, K1 in leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and collards, and K2 in fermented foods, aged cheeses, and some animal products. Together, they protect your vascular system and strengthen your skeleton. Note, if you're on blood thinners, vitamin K can interact, so consult your doctor before major diet or supplement changes. But don't ignore it without vitamin K. Your strength might not reach where it's needed most. Finally, let's reveal the vitamin that fuels muscle repair, nerve strength, and oxygen flow. Vitamin B6. 7. Vitamin B6, the unsung hero of muscle repair and nerve power. Your muscles are only as strong as the signals they receive. Your strength only as reliable as the oxygen reaching your cells. And your energy only as steady as the systems working behind the scenes. All of this hinges on vitamin B6, an overlooked vitamin with a profound role. Without it, your legs can feel lifeless, even when everything else seems fine. Vitamin B6 helps build and repair muscle tissue, supports nerve function for quick, precise muscle responses, and aids protein used to fuel the fibers that move your legs. When B6 levels drop, signs are subtle at first but grow. Unusual fatigue, tingling in your feet, weakness, even muscle wasting over time. Critically, B6 helps produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen to muscles. Without oxygen, muscles tire faster, cramp more, and recover poorly. The good news? B6 is in everyday foods. Chicken, fish, bananas, chickpeas, potatoes, fortified grains. With intention, it's easy to include. If your diet falls short, B6 supplements are effective. The recommended intake is around 1.5 milligrams for women and 1.7 milligrams for men daily. Small amounts, big impact? If your legs feel tired, recovery lags, or muscles lack spark, B6 might be the answer. Strength isn't just what you feel. It's what happens deep inside, where B6 quietly fuels you. Conclusion: your journey to strength starts today. Now you've seen the truth, and it's hard to unsee. 7 simple vitamins and minerals, each holding a key, each capable of changing how your legs move, how your body feels, and how your life unfolds. This isn't just information. It's about your strength, your independence, your ability to stand and walk without fear of falling. Your legs don't give up because of age. They give up because they're missing something. And now you know what that is. Vitamin D switches muscles back on. Calcium protects the bones beneath your strength. Vitamin B12 awakens nerves, restores control. Magnesium soothes tension, pain, and sleepless nights. Potassium powers muscles with every step. Vitamin K directs strength where it belongs. Vitamin B6 repairs, rebuilds, and recharges. These nutrients aren't rare or expensive, but they're life-changing if you act. Start today, not tomorrow. Look at your plate, your habits. Are these nutrients in your life? Small changes yield big results. A glass of fortified milk, a handful of nuts, a banana, a walk in the sun, a chat with your doctor about supplements. This is how strength is built. One step, one bite, one choice at a time. Your legs have carried you this far, through every season, struggle, and triumph. They still have more to give. They just need your support. Don't let weakness win. Don't let cramps steal your sleep. Don't let a fall make you feel small. Reclaim your strength. Nourish your body. Protect your future. If this message resonated, if you felt a moment of truth, let's keep going together. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and never miss a step. Leave a comment. What's one change you'll make today? This journey doesn't end here. It starts now.